Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use the color of red. Now we use green color. Kids, the next one is black color. And now we use the color of blue. The next one is yellow color. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we use red color and now we draw A. The next one is B. Now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. Now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. The next one is H. And now we draw I. I for ice cream. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. Kids, now we use green color and draw J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw K. The next one is L. And now we draw M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. The next one is P. And now we draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, now we draw R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Now we draw T. The next one is U. And now we draw V. The next one is W. Kids, now we draw X. X for Xmas tree. Now we draw Y. The last one is Z. Now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. The next one is 2. Now we draw the number of 3. The next one is 4. Now we draw 5. Kids, the next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. And now we draw the number of 7. The next one is 8. Now we draw the number of 9. And the next one is 10. T-E-N. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching.